What is up, you guys? My name is Dean with Continental Bead Suppliers, and welcome to my new studio. I've spent the past couple of weeks building this place out so I can bring you guys more content. All right, so what are we going to talk today about? We're going to talk about drop shipping. Drop shipping is a wonderful program that we offer that you can participate in for free. So if you're not taking advantage of our drop shipping service, what are you waiting for? Come on, let's get on board here. It's a great service we offer, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it really quick. All right, so let's hop on over to our website, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we drop ship. We're on our home page here, and let's say you wanna drop ship this item. What you can do is you can go ahead and right click on this image, save as, and upload these images, all these beautiful images, to your sales channel. So what is your sales channel? Your sales channel is somewhere like your website or your your Etsy store, your Facebook Marketplace, your eBay, wherever you choose to sell, that's where you can upload these images. You can also use our descriptions. So like check out these beautiful descriptions we have written here. You can copy these descriptions and just paste them right into your listings. Once you've created your listings, now you're ready to start drop shipping. So let's say you make your first sale. All right, congratulations, you've done it. You've made your first sale, your first drop shipping sale. What do you do now? So you're gonna go ahead and add that exact same, so let's say they ordered this chain in gold, your customer ordered this chain in gold. You're gonna add this chain directly to the cart and you're gonna check out. When you check out, you're gonna put in your customer's information. Your customer's information goes into the shipping address, and then we ship it directly from our warehouse to your customer. So your customer is never gonna know that it came from us, because we create a custom shipping label with your return address in there. So it looks like it's coming directly from you. So it's a beautiful, beautiful program we offer. It's a great way for you to increase the amount of products you sell without spending any money buying products, without shipping products, wasting time packing boxes, purchasing boxes and tape and all this other stuff. You don't have to do any of that. All you have to do is create the listings and start driving traffic to your sales channel. So let's say you're a jewelry designer with an Etsy store, okay? And you sell finished jewelry on your Etsy store. Great. How about you now also sell jewelry making supplies? People who visit Etsy, for example, they already love handmade goods. They're usually quite crafty individuals anyway. So if you supplement your finished jewelry sales with components to make jewelry, you can increase your revenue drastically. So it's great. You don't have to spend any money on the inventory because you're gonna drop ship it with us. So you can take our listings, put them on your Etsy store, create beautiful jewelry with our products that you're already doing, and supplement your finished jewelry sales with some crafting supplies. It's a win-win for everyone. We win because you're helping us get our product in front of more eyeballs and make more sales. And you win because you mark up what we sell the product for to a retail price and you keep the difference. So that's the beauty of it. Let's say it costs, let's say you purchase an item from us for $10, and then you sell it on your website for $35 or $30, you're keeping the difference of $20 or $25 in profit. So it's a beautiful, beautiful way to increase the amount of products you sell without having to spend money, without having to pack boxes with shipping goods, having a place to store goods. That's also a massive problem, is just storing the goods. Where are you gonna keep all these products? If you have thousands of products, where are you gonna keep them all? You're gonna need a space. So this can eliminate a lot of space, time, headache, money problems, cash flow problems. It's just a great, great service we offer, and I highly recommend you take a look at it. You can hop on over to our blog on our website it dives a little bit deeper, shows you exactly how we do it. What is drop shipping? Drop shipping is moving goods from the manufacturer directly to the retailer without going through the usual distribution channels. So this is how you would do it. You would check out, you'd add the item to the cart, you check out, you put in your customer's shipping address. This is what our products would look like when they ship to your customer. So for example, we don't write our style numbers on any of our products. We just write the quantity, and that way your customer can't Google our style numbers or something and pull up our website. This is what the shipping address labels will look like. It'll have your name, your address, your city and state and zip, and your customer's address in there. So your customer will never be able to find out who we are. So it's a really great way to increase the amount of products you sell, because one of my favorite and one of my best customers, a great guy, he always told me that selection sells product. So if you have 100 listings on your sales channel and you can increase that to 1,000 without spending any money, come on, it's a no-brainer. So if you have a business license and a wholesale tax ID, head on over to continentalbeadsuppliers.com, fill out that application, and start drop shipping with us. All right, you guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I'm hoping to bring you a lot more content from my brand new studio. So if you guys would please like and subscribe, comment down below. It would really help the algorithm get this video out to more people. I'd really appreciate your help. And thank you so much for joining me. My name is Dean, and I'll see you guys next time.